ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Pilates with B. I hope that you all had the most fantastic weekend. Today we are not going to go slow, we're actually going to be changing it up a little bit. So over the course of the next few videos, we're going to be doing what I like to call 10-minute Pilates. And we'll be focusing on different muscle groups. So today we're going to do abs and core. And the next one we might do legs or we might do back. There'll be like a little timer that will come up on your screen during the video. And the basic premise is that we do at least for this one, we'll be doing a minute of each exercise. 5 different exercises, each of a minute, 2 rounds of that taking us up to a total of 10 minutes. You might be thinking, oh, 10 minutes, so easy. Just you wait and see. It'll change, it might change for some of the different videos. We might have more exercises, but they will always remain within the 10-minute time frame. So, pull up the mat, and I hope you guys enjoy the new format. We're going to start seated on the mat. I have my timer here just to keep me in check, but for you guys at home, the timer will come up on your screen and there will be audio cues when to change between the different exercises, which I will put up on the screen now. So we're going to start with ab roll-ups, followed by hundreds, coming up into isometric holds, going into the obliques, Russian twist, and finally ending it up with a 1-minute plank. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you're ready, let us begin. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can go as slow as you want to, as fast as you want to. Don't feel that you need to try and get as many reps as you can. Always make sure that you keep your form perfect. But at any point you need to stop or take a break, you are welcome to do so. Always focusing in on that form when you're rolling up. So you're rolling down, your lower back touches, your middle back touches, and your upper back touches, really locking in that core, sucking in that belly button, back towards the spine, and we're going to keep going, rolling up, and down, and up, and down, trying not to use momentum wherever you can, rolling it up, and back down, prepping for hundreds, bringing your legs up, let's go, 1, 2, 4, 5, legs up, and forward, and back, and up, and forward, and back. Your shoulders are up, your core's engaged, feeling that burn, ladies and gentlemen. We're halfway through, almost there, pumping those arms, keeping that core engaged, belly button back towards spine, shoulders off the mat. If at any point you need to take a break, just do it. Almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 10 seconds left. Forward, and in, and up, and forward, and back, and up. Keep pumping. And into isometric holds. Bring it up and scoop. And bring it down, hold, and bring it in. And bring it down and hold, and bring it up, and breathe out. And breathe in. Always keep a nice scoop in the belly button, strong anchored core, no pain in the lower back, no stress. If at any point you need to take a break, please do. Keep on working, ladies and gentlemen. Feel that core burning now. We have almost 10 seconds left. Bring it in and down. Keeping a lovely C shape through that spine. Bringing it up into Russian twists. Down for 1. Strong core. Flat back. And down. Touching elbow to floor. And up. And elbow to floor. And up. And elbow to floor. And up. And there. Keep working. Almost halfway through, ladies and gentlemen. Keep it going. Down. And up. And down. And up. I hope that you're loving this new format. Like I said, you may think it's easy. Oh, but it's not. That core is burning. Keeping that core nice and strong. Sucked in belly button. And up. And down. And up. Elbow towards floor. And up. Elbow towards floor. And up. Prepping into the plank. We have 1 minute. You can either come up into high plank or onto your forearms. Remember not to go up too high. Don't arch into the back because you will do damage. Breathe, ladies and gentlemen. Sucked in belly button. Pressing back into those heels. Strong core. Core is lifted. Glutes are engaged. You're pressing away from the floor. We're just over halfway to go. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. With every out breath, just pull into that core. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is the end of our first round. Take a brief moment to just fold over your legs, stretching out your back. Just taking a 30-second break. Just reset my timer. We are ready to go. And we're ready to go. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. And down. And up. And down. And up. You can see I could just say do the next round and not actually show you it. But what's the fun in that? I want to do the exercise with you. I want to be there feeling the same pain that you're feeling right now. Wouldn't be fun if I just said to you do the next round and then the video ends. No. You will see me doing this exercise with you. I'm there with you the entire time. Focusing in on your form. If at any point you feel that your form is waning, take a break, come back to it. Let's keep going. It's never about how many reps you can do. It's always about your form. The slower you do it, the stronger your core actually gets. And in. And up. And forward. And back. And up. And forward. And back. Keep working, ladies and gentlemen. Strong cores. Your core should be on fire. I know mine is right now. Woo! I don't want to let you guys down, but I am feeling it. And forward. And back. And up. Forward. And back. And up. Forward. And up. If I ever go quiet, it's because I am struggling. Forward and up. Deep breath in and out. 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 Come on, ladies and gentlemen, stay with me. Only just halfway to go. This is the last set of exercises to do, and then we are done. You guys are working so hard. Bringing it up. Whew. Now I'm tired. Let's keep it going. And up. Deep breath in and out. Transitioning into obliques. Down. Strong cores, ladies and gentlemen, strong cores. Sucked in belly button back towards the spine. Obliques are strong, body is strong. We have one more exercise after this, and it is that 1 minute plank. Down and up. Smile, ladies and gentlemen. I always tell you, just smile through the exercise. The world is tough enough. And down and up and down and up and down. Keep on working at it. Oof, my heart rate is elevated. We're going into plank. Last one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Sucked in belly button. Strong core. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Get yourself into a meditative state. Go into the zone, the plank zone. You guys are lucky I could have made it a 2 minute plank. Pressing back into those heels. Keeping that core strong and elevated. Pressing away from the floor with your forearms, not sinking into your shoulders. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! I hope that you felt that in your core. Like I said, even with 10 minutes, you guys can work hard. I hope that you felt that, and I hope that you are sweating, and I hope that that heart rate is elevated, and I hope that you enjoyed this new format. I'll keep bringing it back in probably the next 3 or 4 videos. It'll be, the 10-minute Pilates series. Anyway, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and yeah, have a great week, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday.